Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change SmartArt colors to gradient loop in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we go to the Insert menu, then click SmartArt option. Then choose a SmartArt. Then click OK. Then click a shape and go to the Format menu, then click Shape Fill drop down menu. Then choose Gradient Color and go to the Gradient More. Then select Gradient Fill and change the gradient color. Select the color option. Now we can see here we change the SmartArt color to gradient loop. Then we copy the shape and paste inside. Now we can see here we change the SmartArt color to gradient loop very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.